Hello everyone, Amazon and Flipkart are the king of e-commerce platform. The fact is their sale is more than next 30 competitors combined. However, it's very tough to launch a startup in e-commerce field. The fact is 90% of e-commerce startup fails in the first year of starting, and in this situation, if I tell you that a startup company gains the valuation of 30,000 crore rupees in just 5 years, you won't believe it, right? Yes, the name of that e-commerce platform is none other than Meesho. And in this video, we are going to explore how Meesho started it as a reseller app and today is going to become the third largest e-commerce company in India. Hello everyone, I am Sahil from Cyber Studies. Before digging, it's my request to subscribe to this channel and also like this video so YouTube can recommend this to others as well. The first question come to our mind is how Meesho was started. Meesho was founded by two IIT graduates named Vidit Atreya and Sergey Vanwal. Two were batchmates from 2008 to 2012. The idea of starting up a social commerce platform came to them when they were employed at InMobi. Soon they began work on their idea with two things in mind: empowering the women and supporting micro, small, medium enterprise. Before Meesho came up in 2015, the social commerce sector was really struggling. So in a way, Meesho was revolutionized to this particular industry and paved the way for many similar business. However, Meesho was just the initial brand name the founder came up with. They launched the startup with the name of Fesnier. I don't know how to pronounce it, but thankfully they changed it into Meesho, which is much cooler. But for your information, the Meesho you know today is not the Meesho 5 years ago was. Meesho was stabilized as a trading platform, where influencers like Jannat Zubair, Riaz Ali share their product to their Instagram or Twitter handle, and if their follower like that product, they order it and they were thinking that they are buying that product from direct influencer. But that was not the marketing strategy Meesho was using. Let me show you by animation. For example, there is a store in Delhi and that store want to sell their product online, and that store has two options: whether store want to sell online in Amazon where the competition is so huge, and on the other hand in Meesho where they don't have to do anything, just have to create a seller account and Meesho and their influencer will help their product for sale. Luckily this idea went crazy and thousands of sellers took their store online, and then Meesho comes in with their influencer. Meesho influenced social media influencer by saying that by just sharing the product link they can earn money. For example, if an influencer shares this product link from Meesho to their social media handle, and if their follower buy that product from that link, they will get a commission. On the other hand, influencers don't have to do something. So what influencers done, they share as much as they can so they can get the maximum profit, and by doing this Meesho got free publicity and their sale increased. On the other hand, if buyer link that product, they order that product and they think that influencer will revert it to them, but on the other hand it was nothing to do with influencer. As soon as Meesho received that order, Meesho sent that order to seller and the delivery boy delivered the product to buyer. In exchange, Meesho and influencer, both of them got commission from seller. But the problem with Meesho was, they noticed as the commission rate is high, most of the time buyer wanted to buy that product from direct store, because in Meesho the seller put at the high price as seller know that they need to pay delivery charges and commission to Meesho, and Meesho knew it will be a big problem in future, but they let it in this way. And when they are starting to generate a big amount of revenue, they introduce themselves in Y2 Combinator, and unfortunately Meesho was selected in it and got a funding of $120,000 in July 2016. And in the same year, Meesho got another funding from VC, but amount was undisclosed. But Meesho's first big funding was from Safe Partner, which was $3.1 million in June 2018. From there on, they never looked back. On the screen, you can see all the investment Meesho got from 2016 to till. As you can see, in 2021, Meesho got an investment of $300 million from SoftBank and $570 million from Fidelity and Capital in recent September 2021, which makes Meesho 30,000 crore company in just 5 years. But the fact is, even though Meesho's valuation is 30,000 crore, but they never made a single dollar profit. So why investors are investing in Meesho? And the answer of this question is hiding in Meesho's business plan. So, as you know, basically Meesho started as a trading platform. At first, Meesho found two major problems in fashion industry. One is small business want to go online, but there was not a good platform. Those who thinking Amazon and Flipkart घर चलने गया क्या, उन लोगों के लिए कह दो Amazon and Flipkart में competition बहुत ज़्यादा है. So they want to a good platform where they can grow quickly. And the second is women. Meesho has found that in every family there is a woman who want to do something for their family, but the problem, they are not allowed to do job. In tier 2 or tier 3 cities, there are many women want to do something and want to help their family. That's where Meesho comes in. If you see, every Meesho's ad shows how a woman can build a business from home, and can earn money. And in every ads, they touch emotional scenes and their headlines are so catchy to women. So Meesho changed their platform where a woman can build a business and also store can sell their product online. So they started to advertise Meesho on TV as an e-commerce platform where anyone can build online store and can scale their profit. Because of free marketing from influencer, most of the people already knew Meesho, and for Meesho, they don't have to pay to influencer, so their profit increased. But even today, Meesho is not profitable. So let's see how Meesho earns money and how they spend. So basically, there are many ways Meesho earn. The first is commission. Meesho takes commission from seller. When sellers sell something from Meesho, they need to pay a percentage as a commission. And the second is ads. As you know, like Zomato, where every restaurant are listed, but those who pay most rank in the top. And similarly, in Meesho, those who pay for ads rank in the top in Meesho apps. And the third is delivery charges. Meesho charge delivery from consumer and from there they also earns money. Even though Meesho has multiple sources, they are in loss because even though Meesho is so popular, they are spending lots of money in advertising. And the second main problem Meesho facing because most of the seller on Meesho is not recognized and most of the time buyer return the product, the return fee costs them more. And the third problem is Amazon and Flipkart because Amazon and Flipkart are so huge company and has a brand reputation, so people are buying only small amount of product from Meesho. For big amount of product, they are choosing Amazon and Flipkart over Meesho. But the sales management are trying to solve this problem and also big investors are investing in it. If Meesho can solve this tiny problem, they can become a leading e-commerce platform. So what are the lessons from this case study? You don't need to start big, just find a good idea. Eventually, small idea will lead a big opportunity. And the second is, just try to solve the problem of people they're facing in their daily life and people will like it. And the third, don't quit your job for your startup. During your job, make a small tips for your startup because every small steps makes different. So, this was the full case study on Meesho. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.